Good morning students. Today I will teach you test of divisibility. Test of 1. As 1 is a factor of all numbers, there is no need to have a test for 1. We have already done factors in this chapter. Test of 1 is no need to do for test for 1 because 1 is a factor of all numbers. Now divisibility test of 2. All even numbers are divisible by 2. Here all even numbers are divisible by 2, or all numbers with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in the ones place are divisible by 2. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि जितने भी इवन नंबर्स हैं वो 2 से डिविजिबल होते हैं, या फिर हम ये कहें कि वंस प्लेस पे अगर वंस प्लेस, नाउ these are the digits, these are the numbers, and in this number this is the ones place. वो कह रहे हैं कि अगर वंस प्लेस पे क्या होना चाहिए, अगर वंस प्लेस पे 0, 2, 4, 6 और 8 है तो वो 2 से डिविजिबल है. तो ये नंबर इज 10. 10 में वंस प्लेस क्या है, 0. इट मीन्स 10 इज डिविजिबल बाय 2. Second number is 62. Now in ones place there is 2. It means in ones place is 2. 62 is divisible by 2. Now next is 24. Now here 4 is in ones place. 4 is also divisible by 2. That's why 24 is divisible by 2. Same this 2018. Here ones place is 8 and 8 is divisible by 2. That's why 2018 is also divisible by 2. Same here we can see 11. In 11 ones place is 1. 1 is not divisible by 2. So 11 is not divisible by 2. Here 23. Now in the ones place 3 is there and 3 is not divisible by 2, so 23 is also not divisible by 2. Here now we can see this number 3529. 9 is not divisible by 2. Here ones place is 9. 9 is not divisible by 2, so 3529 is also not divisible by 2. Now second we'll see 5. Here 5 you can see in this a number is divisible by 5 if the digits in its ones place is 0 or 5. Same जैसे हमने 2 की प्ले उसमें देखा था कि अगर वंस प्लेस पे वहाँ क्या होना चाहिए था, 2 की डिविजिबिलिटी में 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 होता तो 2 से डिविजिबल होगा. इसी तरह से अगर वंस प्लेस में 5 से डिविजिबिलिटी के लिए इफ इन द वंस प्लेस 0 और 5 इज देयर, वंस प्लेस पे अगर 0 है और 5 है तो वो 5 से डिविजिबल होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी कैन सी हेयर दिस इज द नंबर 225. इन वंस प्लेस इज 5. फॉर नाउ this ones place is 5, so this 5 is divisible by 5, so 225 is also divisible by 5. Now this second number is 310. Now in this 0 this ones place is 0 here and 0 is also divisible by 5. So 310 is also divisible by 5. Now third we will see test of divisibility by 10. Now a number with 0 in its ones place is divisible by 10. Same in for divisibility of 10 we will see ones place also. Now in ones place there is only 0. अगर ones place पे 0 होगा तो ही वो नंबर जो है 10 से divisible होगा. For example we will see here 30 number is 30. Now in ones place there is 0. Now 0 is divisible by 10, so 30 is also divisible by 10. Now here 300, ones place is 0 again, and the 0 is divisible by 10, so 300 is also divisible by 10. Now third number is 4010, and now here this is the ones place, and here ones place is 0, and 0 is divisible by 10, so 4010 is also divisible by 10. I hope you will understand the test of divisibility of 2, 5 and 10. Thank you students.